All right, let's talk about air conditioning. Our summers are brutal, and we have to have the very best in air conditioning. We have to have an air conditioning system that can match our temperatures. My favorite air conditioning system to install is Daikin. You may have heard the name Daikin, you may have heard the name Goodman, you may have heard the name Amana. All three of those belong to the Daikin family, and they are the world leaders in refrigeration. They are amazing. This particular customer has been having nothing but troubles with some old tired AC systems. So a couple months ago, we swapped out 2 units with new Daikin systems, and we just now swapped out a third, and they couldn't be any happier. Our air conditioning and plumbing supply houses trust us to take care of all of their personal and business needs for air conditioning and plumbing. If you take a look at who we are online, you'll trust us too.